In this video, I'm going to discuss insurance for your Etsy shop. So many Etsy sellers don't realize the importance of insurance and the many different coverages that are available and should be using. So in this video, I'm going to discuss some coverages that are found inside of a commercial general liability insurance policy and how they could benefit you and your business. And then I'm going to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the right insurance for your Etsy shop. So the first coverage that's found inside of a commercial general liability policy that's going to benefit you is going to be products liability, third-party bodily injury, and property damage. So imagine that a customer sues you because of a sweater that you sold was treated with a chemical that caused an allergic reaction. That's going to be covered under products liability, third party bodily injury. Next, let's say that a product that you sold malfunctions and causes a flood inside of one of your customers' bathrooms. Now, this type of coverage is going to be covered under products liability, third party property damage, and these type of coverages are usually one of the first coverages you think about when purchasing insurance for an e-commerce business. Next is going to be personal and advertising injury. So let's say that a competitor sues you because your product listing and your products look and feel, they say, was copied by you, and their product listing just has a similar look and feel, and they just basically say that you copied their product listing. So this type of coverage is going to be helpful if a competitor sues you for trying to say that you copied the look and feel again of their product listing. Next is going to be damage to premises rented by you. So let's say that you rent a storage unit and your inventory causes a fire inside of that storage unit. Having this coverage is definitely going to protect you from out-of-pocket financial risk if your inventory causes a fire in a storage unit. Now, next is going to be product recall insurance. So let's say that your products are defected in the shipping process and you have to pull products off of your online store. You gotta pull your product listings and your customers demand a refund. If you have product recall insurance, this could help with giving your customers a refund. It could help with advertising costs to regain customers that you might have lost due to a product recall. Now, product recall insurance, it could be included inside of a general liability policy depending on the type of products that you sell, but you have to ask your agent or broker. We always recommend that. And if it's not, you may consider purchasing a standalone policy to fill that gap so you don't have any worries with out-of-pocket risks due to a product recall. Now, last is going to be commercial property. Now, this coverage is not found inside of general liability, but it's definitely one to consider because it's going to cover your inventory and equipment. So if that's something that you're worried about, covering your inventory, your equipment, things that you invested in, this is going to be the coverage that you want to get. And what this is going to do, it's going to again cover your inventory, equipment, maybe a building that you rent or a space that you lease, that if a fire breaks out and it destroys all your inventory, you could help get replacement for your equipment, inventory, to keep your business financially stable if you had a claim or incident. So now that you know some of the coverages that are going to help to protect your Etsy shop, I want to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the right business insurance. And the next steps to coverage is as simple as a few clicks below. You can fill out a quick form, and one of the members of our team will follow up with the best plan for you. Or you could give our agency a call. We always recommend talking with an agent or broker. 858-277-1585 is our direct line. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the other side.